Are you looking for the best foam cannon in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best foam cannon that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Twinkle Star Foam Cannon. The Twinkle Star Foam Cannon is ideal for car enthusiasts and professionals looking to make cleaning their vehicles easier. The foam cannon includes an adjustable foam lance, a 14-inch quick disconnection fitting, a 1-liter container bottle, 5 pressure washer nozzle tips, and more. The adjustable nozzle on the foam cannon can easily adjust the water pattern from a jet stream to a wide fan pattern. This provides excellent coverage for hard-to-reach spots like undercarriages or wheels. Add 6 ounces of soap with warm water to make a thick foam, extending up to 20 feet away. This cannon is designed for pressure washers with 2.5 GPM and over 1,000 psi pressure. All of its connectors are made of quality brass for enhanced durability and longevity. It can also be connected to any pressure washer with 14-inch hose connectors. Up next in the 4th place is the Tool Daily Foam Cannon. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon is a must-have for car detailing enthusiasts. The adjustable foam lance allows precise control of foam generation, with a 14-inch quick connection fitting and a container capacity of 1 liter. This device operates between 1,000 psi to 3,000 psi, making it the perfect choice for various car cleaning tasks. The foam cannon is easy to install and use. Fill the bottle with warm water and soap. Then connect the quick connection plug to the pressure washer gun or wand. Adjust the knob on top to achieve the desired foam level, and you're ready to start dispensing thick foam. The nozzle can also be adjusted depending on the spread pattern needed for the task at hand. This device has 5 different nozzle tips, ranging from 0 to 65 degrees, for more precision and convenience. This selection allows you to tailor your spray pattern to fit your specific needs, from watering flowers and washing cars to cleaning windows and floors. This device is ideal for a variety of uses. The 3rd product on our list is the Trova Foam Cannon. The Trova Foam Cannon is an excellent choice for car detailing and cleaning tasks around the home. Featuring an easy-to-use design, it simply requires that you fill the reservoir with soap, connect it to your existing pressure washer lance or trigger, adjust the knob for desired foam level, and spray away. The wide neck won't crack like many generic models, providing a more durable experience that can withstand high-pressure water. The detergent nozzle attachment fits most air cleansing equipment and works great with Trova's car wash soap. Whether you're using it to get rid of road grime on your car or dirt from the side of your house, this foam gun can provide high-performance results. It's perfect for those who want a powerful deep cleaning without working too hard. Second on our list is the Duuchin Foam Cannon. The Duuchin Foam Cannon is the perfect cleaning tool for serious enthusiasts and professionals. Its unique adjustable foam lance design and 14-inch quick disconnection fitting provide maximum convenience during use. Plus, it comes with a 1-liter bottle container, making stirring and storing your soap mixture easy. The construction of this cannon is well designed and sturdy. It requires a pressure washer having at least 12 GPM and over 1,000 psi pressure for optimal results. The connectors are made of quality brass, ensuring they can take high pressure levels and remain operational for many years to come. The adjustable spray nozzle provides maximum precision when controlling the amount of foam generated. This adjustable nozzle also allows you to accurately mix the soap solution so that there are no streaks or telltale signs of residue on your car after the wash. Finally, the top product on our list is the Chemical Guys Foam Cannon. The Chemical Guys Foam Cannon Blaster is an excellent solution for making car washing fast, easy, and enjoyable. This all-in-one foam wash gun utilizes a standard garden hose to convert ordinary tap water into car-safe cleaning foam that is gentle on the paintwork. It creates a soap-infused slick bubble bath that will remove abrasive dirt particles while also minimizing the risk of adding swirls and scratches. You can also customize the foam wash gun with an adjustable concentration dial to choose between a very dirty or not very dirty setting. This feature helps you save soap and water while ensuring a thorough yet gentle cleaning. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.